Namaste and good morning to everyone. Prahlad Singh Patel ji, Honorable Tourism Minister Dr. Harshvardhan ji, Honorable Minister of Health Amitabh Kant ji, CEO of Niti Aayog, Arvind Singh ji, Tourism Secretary, Mrs. Meenakshi Sharma, DG Tourism, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, Joint Secretary Tourism, Mrs. Rupinder Barar, Additional Director General, Chairman ITDC, Mr. GVK Rao, Chairman SCPC, Mr. Manak Dawar, founder members of Faith and friends of the media. Friends, on behalf of the organizing committee, our dynamic chairman of Faith, Mr. Nakulanan, my co-chairman ITM, Mr. Amrish Tiwari, and the following associations: Travel Agents Association of India, Travel Agents Federation of India, Federation of Hotel and Restaurants Association, Indian Association of Tour Operators, Association of Domestic Tour Operators, India Convention Promotion Bureau, Adventure Tour Operators, Hotel Association, Indian Heritage Hotel Association, and Indian Tourist Transporters. We would like to welcome each and every one of you to this historical international event. This is the first international virtual event by the tourism industry jointly with the tourism ministry. After the world's vaccination drive has been started, world's largest vaccination drive has been started, India is letting the world know that it is ready to welcome tourists and is one of the safest countries if you follow health and safety protocols. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very challenging for us it was very challenging for us to organize this event, ITM 21, in a record period of less than 2 months. All of us in the Faith Board and the organizing committee worked day and night to make it a grand success. Friends, I am glad to inform you that we have already today more than 250 international buyers from over 60 countries and also 300 domestic buyers. I would also like to welcome thousands of delegates who are attending this event virtually. Ladies and gentlemen, you will agree that 2020 was the darkest period in the history of the world and tourism was the worst affected. All flights got cancelled, visas got suspended, our industry came to a grinding halt. Without any support from anywhere, millions became jobless, hundreds became homeless. Survival seemed impossible. We were hanging by a thin thread to remain afloat, no matter what the size and scale of our business. All of us in the tourism industry face the same difficulty, the same challenges of managing our workforce, maintaining our offices, and fulfilling our commitments when we had no revenues coming in for months end. Friends, in spite of all this, we got together with the help of the Ministry of Tourism to organize this hybrid international event. You will agree, friends, that 2021 has started to give us a sense of hope and confidence. As millions of people are being vaccinated around the country, we are hoping for some dynamic action from the government to chart a path of recovery of our industry to re-establish this industry. The timing of this event syncs with the recovery phase and is an opportune time for policymakers and thought leaders to come together and enable tourism to revive. For us to revive the tourism industry and save millions of jobs, we look forward for 3 action points from our policymakers. Number 1, restarting e-tourist visas. Number 2, reinstatement of scheduled international flights, at least to those countries with which India has an air bubble arrangement with the necessary precautions of safety and following all protocols, so that those who are willing to travel have the opportunity to travel again. Modification of policies. Number 3, modification of policies to help subside or reduce the financial burden in the sector. We hope that this unique buyer-seller meet taking place will result in new opportunities for Indian hoteliers, Indian tour operators, Indian transporters, tourist guides, and millions of people associated with all segments of this dynamic tourism industry who are now more than ever friends. This is the time now more than ever to collaborate our efforts towards business recovery. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope ITM 2021 is the light at the end of the tunnel for the industry of India. To our international buyers, we are thankful to you for joining us in our hope, for joining us in our dream, and for choosing to market India, which is truly incredible. Thank you. Jai Hind and Namaskar.